Hello everybody, it's Brian, your sales consultant from Steele Hyundai, located at 3625 in Kempt Road in Halifax. Today, I'll be showing you the 2021 Santa Fe Calligraphy with A-Track. This is a premium luxury mid-size SUV. It has been completely revamped for 2021, a dramatic new design, an impressive set of new safety features and tech advancements. Let's start with the front of the vehicle. Its striking new design with its bold stance. It has an exclusive black chrome grille, which Hyundai has named the Calligraphy. I think the grille is unique and it allows the Santa Fe to stand out from the crowd. We have split LED daytime running lights from the headlights, but they're thoughtfully connected with this unique flying T waterfall design. And finishing the front, these are the well-designed and functional air curtains that will help with the performance of the vehicle. Next, we have these sporty gunmetal gray 19-inch alloy rims with body side mirrors with signal indicators. In the back, we have these arrow-shaped style taillights that shoots an LED strip right across the back onto the next arrow. This Santa Fe Calligraphy has ample cargo space, boasting 1,030 liters and almost doubling that available space to 2,041 liters when you use the push button release 60/40 rear seats. It has nice flat cargo floor, and this is great when you need to move your new couch home from IKEA. Now let's talk about the performance of the Santa Fe. It comes equipped with a 2.5 inline-4 GDI turbocharged engine, producing 277 horsepower with 311 pounds-feet torque. It's fitted with an 8-speed dual clutch transmission, comes with H-Track, a very convenient feature for all-season driving, whether you're on your summer road trip or just you need a little extra traction for our Nova Scotia winters. The fuel economy comes in at 11 for a city, 8.5 for the highway, and a 9.9 combined. The towing capacity is about 2,500 pounds. Now let's check out the interior. At first glance, you'll see a layout that's wide, expansive, and well refined. Streamlined gunmetal dash. You have dual climate control, illuminated USB and wireless charging. And down below, the Santa Fe has this unique space underneath the center console that will hold your satchel, purse, or even your merce. And in the middle here, we have this user-friendly 10.25-inch digital touchscreen display that has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, integrating your phone into the display. This is a real advantage when you're using your maps on your phone. We have the rear parking assist camera with 360 view and trajectory lines to help you navigate those tight spaces. This vehicle also has the ability to de-stress you on your long daily commutes with sounds of nature. Now, who wouldn't want that on their ride home? The sound system is outstanding. It's fitted with a whopping 12, yes, I said 12 Harman Kardon speakers. And of course, you have complimentary BlueLink with remote start and climate control, but more importantly, giving you peace of mind with roadside assistance and emergency SOS. The interior just screams luxury premium. The seats are finished with the premium Napa leather and detailed with diamond stitching. They're heated and ventilated. They are full electric assist for both driver and passenger with 2 memory settings for the driver. Nothing but blue skies with this panoramic sunroof. Now when it comes to safety, this Santa Fe is loaded with 12 standard safety features, but the Calligraphy trim adds surround view monitor, blind view monitor, parking collision assist, parking distance warning, and highway driving assist. And check out these cool driving modes. And that's the wrap of the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Steele Hyundai 902-454-1000, HRM's preferred Hyundai dealership.